Welcome to this Blackpool Music School video all about the Godin, Seagull, M4 Spruce Dulcimer. In this video I'm going to teach you how to perform a bow diddley style strum on this instrument. So let's get started. For this video you will need to be playing all three strings. When you play all three strings you get this sound. What I need you to do is relax this hand so you get that sound when you press all three strings down. When you relax it, again when you press all three strings down. When you relax this hand, your hand is touching the strings but not pushing it down to the fretboard. That creates the crunch sound or the blocky sound. My right hand is simply strumming 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So what you do is you start off like that. And all you do is apply the pressure down to make it a chord when you feel like it. So we'll strum through 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So one bar will be 1 and with the crunch, 2 and with the chord down, 3 and with the crunch, 4 and with the chord down. So it's again on the 1 and, the crunch, on the 2 and, hand down, 3 and on the crunch, 4 and with the chord down. Basically, when you can do that, you can apply that pressure down whenever you feel like it. All that's required is this hand to keep a steady rhythm. That is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's with the chord down, without it down, with pressing the strings though. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And that's how you get a bow diddley type sound on a dulcimer. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Blackpool Music School for more videos. Until next time, take care and goodbye.